Hey guys, how's it going? How to lock apps on iPhone. So with the new feature of iOS 18, now you can lock your apps. And the way to do that by holding the app. Let's say for example, let's say this app, right? I'm gonna hold and you're gonna see a pop-up window. Click right here, require Face ID. And here you can hide and require Face ID or require Face ID. And then just go ahead and click hide, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna hide the app, right? The app will be disappear. If I want to look it up, I could just type right here Pioneer, and as you can see, it won't appear. No one will know that this app is hidden, and I need to confirm it via going my settings right here, scroll a little bit down, click the apps, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into finding the Pioneer app on my iPhone, and then I'm gonna be able to actually confirm or I can get it back, and then I'm gonna be able to log in via facial recognition. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.